Hello students. Firstly, I congratulate all for securing an allotment at Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. In this video, I will guide you about how to fill F.Y.B.Tech admission form and kindly bring printout of this form at the time of admission. So let's begin with the process. Step 1 is log into pre-admission ERP portal. The link is learner.pcterp.in/pre-admission. Then enter your EN number here and click on fetch button. Your information will be automatically fetched here. Kindly verify your full name, program type, program, gender, etc. Note that the fields like first name, middle name and last name will be blank here. After this, enter your personal email ID here. Click on send OTP button. You will receive an OTP to your personal email ID. Enter your OTP here and click on verify button. Then enter your first name, middle name, last name and mobile number and click on save button. Sometimes you may come up with this type of error. Kindly avoid this error and click on fetch button. Then click on generate parent button. Now you have received one mail from the college with the subject admissions. Kindly check that mail and note down the username and password. Now log into student ERP portal, which is learner.pcterp.in and enter your username and password. Click on sign button. Once you log in, click on blue circle at right corner and then click on user profile. Note that we need to fill only first 4 tabs of this personal information. And remember, each tab has 5 to 6 horizontal tabs. So let's start with the first tab, which is personal details. So under this, the first sub tab is again personal details. Here, your first name, middle name, last name, email and mobile number will be automatically fetched. Kindly select your admission category from the drop down box, your caste, then subcaste. If you don't have any subcaste, you can enter the caste only. Then select your nationality, domicile, your birthplace, birth country, birth state, birth district, native place, native country, native state, native district, your personal email ID here, and if you have another or alternative email ID, that also you can enter here. Remember, this personal email ID is very important in case if you forgot your password. Then select your blood group. You can skip this field anti-ragging undertaking number. Then enter your parent name here. Remember, you need to enter this name in the sequence last name, first name and middle name. Then select the parent relation from this drop down tab. You can skip this field career choice and alumni institute. After that, enter the APAR ID number here and then click save and next button. Now second sub tab, identity. Enter your Aadhaar number here, which is mandatory. Enter your PAN number. If you don't have PAN, you can skip this information. Just click on save and next button. Third tab is religion. Select your religion, mother tongue, area type, marital status. Enter your PCCOE rank number from the option form under this institute preference number tab. Then click on save and next button. Next tab is physically handicapped. If you belongs to physically handicapped, select here yes, otherwise select here no and click on save and next button. Next is minority details. Again, if you belongs to minority, you need to fill these details. Otherwise, just select here no and click on save and next button. Next is passport details. If you have the passport details, you need to fill this information here. Otherwise, you can skip this. Just click save and next button. The last tab is examination details. So under this, enter your date of birth here. Enter father's full name in the sequence: first name, middle name, last name, father's first name, mother's first name. Select your gender. It may be automatically fetched here. Skip this field eligibility number. Enter your upper ID here and click on save details button. Remember, it is very important you to click on this save details button at the last tab of every section. After this, click on the next section, contact details. The next section, contact details, the first tab is permanent address. So enter your permanent address here, permanent country, permanent state, permanent district, permanent city, permanent taluka, permanent PIN. If your permanent address is same as current address, you can tick this box. Otherwise, you need to fill the current address. So in the same way, you need to fill the current address. Click on save and next button. Third sub tab is emergency contact. So here we need the information other than your father's and mother's. So if you don't have that information, you can just enter your father or mother's mobile number and click on save and next button. Next tab is local guardian details. So if you have any local guardian details, you can provide here. Otherwise, just click on save and next button. And the last tab is hostel information. So currently don't have any hostel information, just click on save contact details button and then move to the next section, which is family details. So under this family details tab, your first sub tab is father's detail. Kindly provide the father details here. In this case, your father's email, mobile number, these fields are mandatory. Rest information you can fill as per your knowledge. After that, just click on save and next button. Next, mother details. So here, mother's full name, mobile number, these details are mandatory. Rest information you can provide as per your knowledge. Next, brother details. If you have brothers, you can provide these details here. Otherwise, just click save and next button. And the last tab, sister details. If you have any sister, you can provide the details here. Otherwise, just click this save family details. Again, will remind you, always click this save button in the last tab of every section. Now we will start with the last section, which is educational details. So under this educational details, your first sub tab is 10th marks. So select the examination SSC, enter your seat number, enter the name of institute, select the 10th board, select the passing year, enter here 10th total marks, obtain marks, percentage will be automatically calculated, enter the mathematics obtain marks, out of marks, again science obtain marks and out of marks. Then click on save and next button. In the same way, you need to enter the 12th marks. So select examination at HSC, enter your seat number, enter name of your institute, select your board. Here the board may be Maharashtra board or maybe CBSE board. Accordingly, you need to select here. Stream compulsory, you need to select as PCM group, very important. And once you select this PCM group, you need to enter the marks of mathematics, physics and chemistry as well as English. Then provide here the total of PCM courses like physics, chemistry and mathematics and their out of marks be out of 300. Then 12th total marks, 12th obtained marks, percentage will be automatically calculated here. Consider here any one of your vocational subject which may have the higher marks and enter the obtained marks of that vocational subject and out of marks. Once you've done this, click on Save and Next button. Then third tab is Qualifying Examination Details. Click on Qualifying Examination. Here, you need to provide the details of MST CET or JEE or both examination. Next, if you appeared for diploma, graduation or post-graduation, you can provide these details. Otherwise, directly jump to the last tab, which is Gap in Academic Year. So if you do not have any gap in the academic year, just select here No, and the last tab, click on this Save Admission Details. Now, you need to take printout of this admission form. So just click on this button, Profile Details, verify all your details and take printout of that admission form. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.